Hey everyone, this is Christopher. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you, and what I have is actually something that I got last year for Christmas and have yet to wear them. But it is something from St. Laurent. So let's see what it is. What I actually got is something that I was wanting for like a long time. Just did not want to break down and fork out the money to get them, but I finally did. And what they are some boots. And these are actually called the Wyatt. They are the Wyatt boots, the Chelsea Wyatt boots. And it's more of like a taupish color, kind of an odd sandy or taupish color. I got these in a size 40, which is about a size 7 US. And I just could not wait to wear them. Now, of course, it is springtime, but I feel that you could wear these just a different way throughout the summer. And of course, when we get into the fall season and winter months, I'll definitely wear them a lot. So I was just happy to really have them and add them to my collection. I know they'll be a staple piece that will I'll be able to wear for year after year after year. So I appreciate you watching today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.